good morning, good morning. Oh, I'm sorry, good afternoon. It's your girl, Tashari, but I go by Tasha for short, you guys. I know I ain't been on here like that in a minute. Like, I post here and there, just some random stuff. But I got an announcement to make. So, starting Monday, this past Monday, I am a truck dispatcher. Yay! Whoop, 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 whoop. I know y'all like, okay, yeah. For me, it's a new journey. Well, I'm not gonna really say new journey because I have been in and out of dealing with the trucking industry for a little bit. Like currently, right here, right now, I do work for a company, a factoring company. I'm not gonna say the name, but it gave me a little bit more insight on a lot of things. And brokers and other dispatchers, I need to holler at y'all. What I would really want to say is, you guys, whenever factoring is trying to reach out to you guys to have you verify rates, please do that. Y'all know right now that there is a lot of fraudulent activity going on within this industry by itself. I mean, a lot. We even seen some stuff to where we were like, we had to make sure it was what it was, and it wasn't. So whenever you hear, even if you hear my voice, oh, I'm just calling to verify a rate, please just do that. That's all we do. That's all we want. We just want you to verify the rate. We don't want nothing else from you. That way we can go ahead and send you this invoice over. That is all. So yeah. But as a dispatcher myself, I see just a lot of crazy stuff, man. I didn't know it was that crazy in the game, but it's a lot of crazy stuff. And my thing, what I want to do, what I am to my fellow truckers, is I'm kind of like your secretary. Basically, I'm going to do all this back work for you. Of course, I'm looking for your loads for you, keep you loaded. But I'm also going to take care of all the other stuff, such as like the invoicing and speaking with the brokers and possibly shippers. If we get you a load through a shipper, that is what my job is. I want to make sure that you're good at the end of the day. I can't say not every dispatcher is like that, because there probably is other dispatchers exactly like that or have been like that for many years, but you do have people out here, not just dispatchers, but also brokers who they don't give a dang. They just in it for the money. And like I said, we see a lot of stuff to where we have to send it back because we need correct information. Like, we need to make sure the co-signer or the receiver, we need y'all to make sure that they sign them paperwork. Okay, please, truckers, make sure that the receiver sign them paperwork so we won't have to keep going back and forth. And brokers and other dispatchers, please make sure the paperwork is clear, because we have to look at it. I'm just saying, help us help you. But again, touching back on dispatching, but yes, Expeditious Dragonflies is fully up and running as a dispatching company. I am definitely in the market looking for carriers to definitely assist. And look, this is one thing I want to do for my people, for my carriers. Once you sign up as my carrier, I will send you one of these. I know you're like, what is that? What is that? It is basically it's a clipboard, but it opens. So it opens for you. So you can store your paperwork in there, because I've seen some crazy paperwork. So that is what it is. So far right now, I just got 2 on me. But I'm having more coming. But like I said, that is only for my carriers that's going to be up under my truck drivers. I will gift you one of them folding, I was going to say paper clips, clipboards, of course a pen, as well as for giving me a chance. That's a thank you for giving me a chance, to be your dispatcher and get you what you need. I'll go to further details if you'd like more information about me being a dispatcher, what all that pertains and how much I charge. Just inbox me. All right? Okay, other than that, you guys have a wonderful day. And again, to my brokers and other dispatchers who deal with factoring companies, please heed my warning. Not being funny, but just make sure the paperwork are in order and that all the co-signing and or receiver have signed, because like I said, working from a dispatching point of view, not dispatching, from a factoring point of view, That's what be holding some of the stuff up. And then some of you guys get mad at us thinking that we're holding your stuff up, and we're not. We need things. Like, you need things in order. Being at the factoring company, we need things in order as well. Alright, but I'm also here again. It's Expeditious Dragonflies. I do have a website, expeditiousdragonflies.com. I will type the name somewhere around here. Or if you would like to talk to me personally, I'll put my phone number, my business phone number in here. Please leave me a voicemail. Please leave me a voicemail with your name and your number, and I'll contact you back, as soon as I can. Alright? Okay, I'm out. You guys have a wonderful Friday. You might see another video from me. We'll see. But again, you guys have a wonderful Friday. I'm getting off of here.